In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link receipts, invoices, or contracts directly to your transactions so everything stays organized and easy to find during reviews, audits, or tax time. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Once your dashboard loads, look for the Create button. This is the plus or new icon that opens your transaction options. Click it to bring up the full menu of things you can add. From here, choose the type of transaction you want to work with. This could be an expense, a bill, a check, or an invoice, depending on what you're recording. Pick the option that matches what you're doing today. This ensures the attachment you add will sit in the right place and stay tied to the correct record. On the form, fill in the required details first. Add the payee or customer, the date, the payment account, the category or item, and the amount. Getting these basics right before you attach anything helps QuickBooks file your document alongside clean, accurate data. If you're tracking classes, locations, or projects, include those too so your attachment is searchable later. When your details are set, look for the Add Attachment option on the transaction form. It's usually near the bottom or just below the line items and may appear as a link or a small paperclip icon. Click Add Attachment, then browse your device and select the file you want to attach. Common file types like PDF, JPG, and PNG work well. Keep file names clear and descriptive. Adding a vendor name, date, or invoice number can make future searches faster. If you prefer, you can drag and drop the file directly into the attachment area as well. You can attach more than one file if needed, like a receipt plus supporting notes. After your documents finish uploading, you should see a thumbnail or file name appear on the transaction. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the right file. When everything looks good, click Save. Depending on the form, you might see Save, Save and Close, or Save and Send. Any of those will save the attachment with the transaction. To double-check, reopen the transaction and look for the paperclip indicator or the attachment thumbnail. If a file doesn't upload, try reducing its size, confirming the format, or checking your connection, then attach again. That's it! You've successfully attached documents in QuickBooks Online, keeping your records clean, complete, and easy to audit.